What's going on, everybody? Jekyll here, Jekyll Plays, or if you're lazy, just go ahead and call me Jay. I won't be mad at you either way, because I get kind of lazy too sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. You might be wondering why we're in the outdoors. We're not really in the outdoors. I'm behind a store, and there's a reason for that. So I dropped off a prescription. I got time to wait. Decide, you know what? Instead of just sitting twiddling my thumbs and reading the magazines on the rack, let me go walk down to the Dollar Tree next door and spend some time there wasting my time. Walking through the aisles, minding my own business, and I have to stop because I see something that I would never expect to be in a Dollar Tree. But the more I think about it, the more I think maybe it makes sense. It's a wide-angle lens for the cell phone. I'm all about trying new things, and it was $1, so I have nothing to lose. So let's see what they have to say. Clip to front of camera for perfect self-portrait. Clip lens on rear camera for easy panoramic shots. Not suitable for phones with a built-in wide-angle lens. Nothing else. It's just a piece of plastic with a plastic lens. It's from the Dollar Tree. I'm sure it's not really all that great, but let's try it out. Stand by. Okay, we got it. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's like every other smartphone, cell phone lens. Let's focus this up. Focus, thank you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I have a case, so I don't know if this is really gonna work, but let's see. And we definitely got some funkiness from the plastic going on. There we go. Ooh, fishbowl. That is interesting. So here's a good example. We got the rail here. Let's see what it looks like without. Poof. It actually works. How about that? It does. It actually works. Let me try this without the case. Stand by! Okay, it does actually look a little bit better without a case on, which makes sense because it's able to clip onto the phone a little bit better. That's not bad. Let's see if we can lighten that up a little bit. We got some definite fuzz going on though. But this would be actually kind of cool for like a very specific type of shot. You know? Because this is with, that's without. Without. So we definitely can use this, and I'm gonna take some pictures with it as well to see what the pictures look like, because it doesn't mention video in the description, but you never know. You know what, while we're at this, we might as well see what it looks like on the selfie side. Am I right? So this is without, with. Okay, that's not too bad. Not too bad. Got a little bit of a funny filter to it, almost like it's a $1 lens. But okay, that's not too bad. Not too bad at all. I like stuff like this. Little cheap things, little hacks. that you can use. Because look at that. Now it's I'm getting all kinds of background. Got some fisheye going on. All right, time for some photos. Alright, so there you have it. I'm going to leave the lens on for right now. So it does make a bit of a difference, mostly on video, at least in my experience. But you can see the farther something away is, the more you get it in the background of your shot when you're putting it in, which I think is not bad. It's $1. What do you got to lose, right? So go down to your nearest Dollar Tree. Go pick one of these up and have some fun with it. I'm going to see what kind of ways I can use this type of lens to make some something new, if you will. I don't know. We'll figure something out. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, because that's how we grow. Leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of stuff you want to see in the future. If you want to see more budget tech like this, more gaming, specific games, specific tech, more music, because I've been doing music stuff on here as well. Just adventures, all kinds of adventures. It's fun. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think, what you want to see. Don't forget, go to thebeardstruggle.com and use my promo code Jekyll15 to save yourself 15% on any order at any time. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.